In this video, I'll guide you through how to download uBlock Origin on Google Chrome. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. First, take a new tab and go to this website. I will put this link on my video description. When you click the link, then you will come to this page. After come to this GitHub page, you need to scroll down to the asset 6 and expand it. Now click on this link. Then the uBlock extension will download on your computer. After complete the download process, you need to extract the zip file. Now open your browser and click on extension and then manage extension. Now you need to enable developer mode and click on load unpack button and select the unzip Chrome extension and click select folder. Then the uBlock extension will add it on your browser. Then you can be facing this kinds of error. To solve it, you need to click on it and click on clear all. Now go back to the extension page. Then you will find the error will be removed. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily download uBlock Origin for Google Chrome.